Ski! Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad. If you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Alright, now check it. If you're looking for dope sneaker reviews, one of the best on feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style, or some of the best ways to lace them up, or of course any other sneaker related content, then you, my friend, are in the right place. Subscribe and join the squad.
Batter up, lyrics and home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it. Burn it through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
And without any hesitation, you already know what y'all here for. Today I'm be doing another Sneakercon app unboxing. And now I haven't bought anything from them since November. And now of course with their partnership with eBay and whatnot, I decided to check out if the app was still, you know, legit, if it was still functioning, if they still got orders out on a timely basis. And yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all know everything about my experience, and yeah, let's get into it. And now I ordered this about like sometime last week. I think it was on a Friday or Saturday I ordered it, and it came within exactly a week. I ordered it on a Friday and it came the following Friday. So yeah, once again, they always get stuff out on a timely basis. It was the one time I had a problem with the shipping, and that was because whoever was selling the shoe basically took an entire week to ship the shoe, and that's what made it take longer than it was during the Thanksgiving break and all that. So it was too much. But thankfully this seller has shipped the shoes ASAP. Like it was literally that next Saturday the person has shipped the shoes over to Sneakercon. And yeah, of course they legit checked it the next day after they got it, because according to the tracking thing, they had got it in like later that day, like that night. So of course I wasn't expecting them to do it that same day. And yeah, of course we got it. We had to get a double up. You already know. I told y'all this is one of my favorite sneakers of all time. I had to have it. I couldn't go ahead and just grab the one. I need two. Rock that one. And then of course this one is staying on ice. Bro, you already know what it is. You couldn't tell from the box. We got another pair of the red suede Raging Bull 5s. Classic shoe, man. Such a classic shoe, dog. And you can't go wrong with this. You can't go wrong with this shoe right here. And then of course, they legit checked it, make sure everything's all good. This shoe is just too hard. But yeah, nah, for sure. If anything, I don't know. That one is on display, so that one might just stay on ice. And then I think I'll just wear this one. Or actually, nah. I'm gonna wear this pair. And then I'm gonna put this one on display, because of course it's DS. I already wore that for the on feet and the hottest style. If you didn't go check those videos out, highly suggested. They are bangers. But yeah, now for sure needed two pairs of these. And now of course, whenever you do receive a shoe from Sneakercon app, you will receive this legit tag. And of course, if you wanted to double check yourself, or if you buy from any of these, or of course if you buy a lot of shoes per month from like different secondhand market companies like StockX, GOAT, Sneakercon app, or even any resale stores, you can always check out Own Kicks. What they do is they legit check shoes, and you don't have to send them in or anything. All you gotta do is send a picture of the shoes or the link from the website. And of course, they'll verify the shoe to make sure you're not getting scammed. And now if you sign up for their monthly subscription, which is $15.99, then you could just keep sending in shoes. The most you can do is 2 in one day. Then of course, the $15.99 monthly subscription is definitely what you want to check out if you buy a lot of shoes per month. And now of course, you can just reach them through their Instagram, or just tap the link in their bio to go straight to the website. But once again, with Sneakercon app, they did not disappoint. The shoes literally came within exactly a week. There's nothing wrong with them whatsoever. They legit checked them, so I know they're verified for a fact. I did double check them again compared to my pair that came from Sneakers app, even though, you know, I didn't win that pair. I just bought them off somebody who did win them. And yes, even though they are partnered with eBay at the moment, so a lot of their focus is over there, the app is still up and functioning, and it does still ship out shoes in a very timely manner. And that's just from my experience. I don't know if everybody's experience will be the same, but yeah, it just got these in exactly a week. They had the cheapest price compared to GOAT and StockX, and yeah, can't beat that.
Hello, it's me, I'm the local to dawn. Giving you bars and you ain't getting blown. Locked in a cell in your mind, I've been here for some time, and it's crazy we don't get along. I see the way you be plotting this shit. It's all in your eyes when you pocket the grit. One thing that I know, you best running that store. You take everything green and you pop them and dip. To tell you the truth, you're an opportunist. If you think you can, then you gotta do it. Pull up on the brakes and rocket through it. At the end of the day, this is riding music. I'm the man, not your man, baby, don't confuse it. And I don't give a damn about a humble movement. I'm just talking my shit cause I'm going through it. I don't bug, I don't hear, I'ma fucking lose it. Ask if I sign, I'ma tell them like 10 million. If not, don't ask me again. I never charge for a verse, but a cost for a hearse, so I might as well in a cycle of gassing your friends, not smoking them out, but you lying to them. How me and my brothers were keeping 100 ball working.
Thank everybody for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We're on that road to 10K. Comment down below if you were able to pick up a pair of Raging Bull 5s. And yeah, hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe and see you next time.